Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. I'm Chelsea, and today we are presenting to you our 5th summer vlog. So if you've been following us this summer, then you know we're looking for magical ways to make every day celebratory, or to do something every single week that is fun and family oriented. So Callie's been pulling sticks live on Fairy Tale Summer over on Facebook, and then you're getting some of that footage here in the vlogs as well. And you can see whatever it says on her stick. So this week we did something that we've literally never done before. I am not like a big, or haven't been a big board game person or like a puzzle person until quarantine. And then since then, you know, Callie and I have been purchasing new games. We recently just found a company we really like, because the idea of the games is not to compete against each other, but to work together to win the mission. And she picked one about fairies. I'll link it in the description below, of course, for you. But this week was all about family game night. So we ended up doing this. The video here goes live on Monday. We did family game night on Saturday night, and we invited all the cousins over to play because games are more fun when kids participate. And we used 2 games, which you will see in the footage. This week was also really fun because we got to play tourist and go down Cape for some, like a day staycation. A daycation is what I called it in the morning, which was lovely. And again, we went kind of as a family group, of course, practicing social distancing with others and wearing masks, but it was a really fun week. So you're gonna see all of that here in this brief little collage of how our week went. And we hope you enjoy and have a magical week of your own. Hi everybody. So we are back to pick
our stick.
Everyone wanna sit on my lap?
Can you with all of them?
Yeah. So here's what we have left, and we can still definitely make more. Family game night, eat a fancy dinner al fresco, go kayaking, fly a kite, and have a picnic. Don't those all sound fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Which one? Here, I'll hold them up and then.
I don't know. Which one?
Which one?
No.
Oh boy. Oh boy, which choice? This one. Family game night! I'm excited about that. What does our stick say?
Family game night.
Family game night. You're making it very hard to focus. There she goes. Okay. Family game night. Hi everybody. Welcome to Callie's bedroom, where I am undergoing one of my weekly goals, which is to clean out Callie's closet. So you can see kind of a mess behind me here. I typically do this seasonally, but during the summer, the end of the summer, and no, I'm not trying to push the school year on anyone, but we aren't even sure if she's physically going back to preschool yet, but we do know that she'll be going to childcare because I am supposed to be going back to work. And either way, she still has to get dressed 5 days a week, and whether we're going to school or not, we're still back to school shopping because that is a tradition for the fall. I will link last year's like back to school haul here as well, so that way you can see that this isn't just something that I am doing out of sheer boredom. I'm not bored, I'm super busy, but this is something that like actually brings me great joy, is to clean out a closet. Now when I do this, and I'll show you my closet clean out as well, I'll link that above. When I clean out a closet, especially for Callie, I tend to do 3 piles: consignment, donation, and hand-me-downs. So I have 4 nieces, and they all range from 4 years old to literally 6 weeks old. So there's a lot of stuff that just gets filtered through the kids, and I love that because it's great to see it on Zoe, and then on Remy, and then on Charlie. Like, it's really nice to see it passed on to all of the girls. So that's really a big pile. And then I have a consignment pile for my higher end items that I don't think my sisters would want. And I have a donate pile that things that are like really got worn out, that won't fit the girls anymore, and that is not worth consigning. So that's how I tend to handle this. Now I do have back to school clothes here. Callie and I have done a couple of Target runs where she had the opportunity to pick out her own clothes, which was a first for me. I like to be the one who picks them out. Hi, I'm Chelsea, I have a control problem. So that was fun in Target to kind of watch her get into that process. And I'm gonna be hanging those up because I'm gonna do an entirely separate video on our like back to school outfits. So that's what you're seeing here. If you need to clean out your kids' clothes, and you do, toys, clothes, jackets, shoes, there is always something to sort through. So bring me with you, go into that room right now, let's spend the next few minutes decluttering. Okay, I'm feeling 1000% better about her closet. It starts after this organizer, which is where I put all of her weekly clothes so that she can get herself dressed in the morning. And it's color coded by shirt, sleeve type, back. So until here, these are all her like existing clothes. And we honestly work primarily in the summer. We pick from this selection and then all her shorts and t-shirts. But then all of her new stuff starts here and goes back to here. So that way when I'm organizing new outfits, I can kind of put them together here first before I put them in the organizer and have them ready to go for the week.
Look, they give me 2 donuts.
Oh, this was amazing.
You got it.
Callie Doodles.
Bacon, egg, and cheese croissant.
Callie
So
Doodles.
good.
Is it good?
It's so
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures and make a montage in your video.
Of what?
Get gently, not
Good
too
job,
hard.
Dukes. Go ahead, Zoe.
Gently, there you go. Go again, get a little back to it. Yeah. Alright, go. Here we go.
Roll the dice.
Here, roll that. Roll this. Oh, okay, that's quite a roll. Here, shake it out. Roll it onto the table. Let go of it. You have to let go. Okay.
Like this. Let me show you.
Yeah, now you try. Okay,
Right,
so
you're
you
gonna one.
click those handles.
One time.
Okay, now it's Zoe's turn.
No.
All right, Zoe.
Try not to put it.
Now you roll the die.
You want this?
Okay,
2.
click those handles. Oh, it's Callie's turn. Callie, why don't we take your glasses off? Oh, it's fun.
You don't want to do it? Zoe, you want to do it
Zoe,
again?
you want to do it again?
And then we'll pass it back
Uh-oh.
to Remy.
Here, I can fix that. Here, why don't you? You don't want to play? This is such a fun game. Okay, ready? Drop the die.
Wait, do your dice first.
2. 1, 2.
She loves this.
Do you want a napkin?
You barely even got it.
Thank God!
Zoe got so much worse than you.
And Zoe got a real splat. That was so great.
That's what I wanted about it. It just flew.
Yeah, and then she and this face.
Mama,
Oh, we all laughed.
Yeah.
you don't look green on your forehead.
I know.
You have
Breaking
different
your
ears.
breath
Thank you.
I so wasn't expecting that.
For the first time.
Mimi What's she doing? What's Callie doing?
I know.
Callie, face Mimi.
Are you in a rocking chair?
Blowing out candles.
Are you blowing out birthday candles? Mark won.
Good job.
Wait, what?
Are you throwing a ball?
Good one, Uncle Reese.
Music the card. Oh, 3.
Statue.
Frozen.
Are you a rock?
Staring.
She's not a thing.
Are you a person?
Are you sad?
Girl.
Are you a mountain? A tree?
She's doing something.
Staring.
Staring.
Freezing.
Smiling.
Can you try something else?
Can you show me? Being quiet.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Uncle Reese. 2 cards you've gotten. All right, so it's your turn. Roll the dice. That was good, Callie.
That was good.
Okay. Do the thing. Come here. Do you need me to tell you again? Come here. I knew it.
Pulling hairs.
I'm pulling. Putting your hat on. Taking your hat off.
Putting up a ponytail.
Yes.
Good job, Mama.
I mean, your mom.
I love this brush.
I'm just
Really
I'm
specific.
really just picking ones from.
Game night was a success, I think. So we played 2 games. We played Pie Face and we played charades for kids. I picked this up at a local toy store and my mom actually had Pie Face. Now, the girls did not love Pie Face. As you could see by my niece Zoe's reaction, who got like a whopping dollop of whipped cream on her forehead. She was not thrilled with that, and Callie was too scared of the hand, and Remy wanted nothing to do with it after kind of the first round of clicking it. So it turned into an adults game. Maybe it's something that they'll like more when they're older as well. We played Speak Out a few years ago at a family Christmas party when they were little, and they did not like that as well. So I feel like what I might consider a fun game, maybe a little too mature for them, but I looked for charades for kids because of a Disney day that we had at home where we played charades just as the 3 of us as a little family for the first time. And Callie did great. They have images on them, so you roll a die and then there's three things that a kid could do on a card. Or an adult, because my mom played this too. Like, she did some of the charades. We just didn't record her doing them because it comes with a timer. We didn't use that, but when they roll the die, can you see that? But the first option comes with a photo. So this one says chopping wood, and it kind of gives them like an action to do. So you could easily play this and just play like the kids do the photo ones only. You know, there's lots of ways, but it was adorable to watch them act it out. I also made Hawaiian sliders. I'll link that recipe below. Add some homemade like dipping sauces. I made a garlic ranch dip, and then we had veggies from our garden and chips, and I made a caprese salad. Like, we just used it as a little way to all have dinner together. My mother-in-law brought some type of Chinese spare ribs, I think. So it was nice. Like, we just had family dinner. Okay. So if you're interested in hosting a family game night, it does not have to be fancy. You could order pizza. You could get a simple game. This game cost, I think, $12. I am sure that your family has games, or you could make up your own charades. Like when we did the Disney day, we had just things that were printed out on strips. And then when obviously Callie can't read, we would explain to her what it is, and then the other parent would guess. So there are ways to do this totally for free as well. Like, you're gonna have dinner anyways. You could do this in the afternoon. It doesn't matter. But family game night was a success, and I think as they get older, it's something I would like to continue as a tradition, especially in the winter time when we're more trapped at home. Okay, I think this has been a long enough outro for you, but just wanted to say family game night, really, really fun, and something I'd like to carry beyond just the summer months. That's it. We're going to be coming at you on Thursday with a new video as well. So just keep that in mind, that we'll have 2 pieces of content for you for the month of August and likely for the month of September as well, just working those details out. I hope you're having a magical summer. If you want to join us on our summer bucket list fun journey, that link will be in the description box. It's totally for free, and you can kind of see what we're up to. And if you join us on Fairy Tale Summer, the Facebook group, you can follow along every week as we have behind the scenes content. We love you. Have a magical week, everybody. Bye.